Hi! In front of me is the Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to begin by opening Clock app, then select Alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. From here, set up an hour and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. Then scroll down and click on all of those switchers next to Alarm Report, skip and vibrate to disable or enable them. Now you can click on Label your alarm however you want to. If you want to, choose OK and click on Set as Group. Now you can add your alarm to one of your groups. As you can see, I don't have any, so I will go back and choose Ringtone. Now tap on the best melody for you in order to set it up. I will go with Beardy or Busy Bugs and go back. But you can also choose Ringtone, tap on this plus icon next to Add New and pick music from your device by clicking on it and going back as well. To save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on this bin icon over here and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, just click on those three lines at the top right corner, select settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!